Chapter 2 in Everything Weather by Kathy Fergang. Weather Extremes. This section is called Wild Weather Zones. And you can see the map, right? It helps us understand these wild weather zones, which part of the map different types of weather happens, right? So you can see droughts happen in the yellow part of the map. Monsoons, you can look at the map key, right? Monsoons are blue and they happen here in these sections. Tornadoes, right? And the map key shows us it's orange, and also this section, right, is colored orange. So tornadoes happen in this part. And tropical storms, the map key shows us that tropical storms happen in the green part. Over here, there's some green too. Right? The map key helps us understand and read what the map is showing us, and this is a map of the world, right? We see our continents, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Looking at the text features is a very important part of nonfiction. So first we just looked at the map key, and now we're ready to read and learn even more about these wild weather zones. Extreme weather takes place all over the world, but some types of powerful storms tend to occur in the same places over and over again. Seasonal wind currents and air and water temperatures near these zones shape the storms. Take a look at the world map below to see where wild weather likes to go. Let's start with tornadoes, right? And if we look at the map, we see tornadoes happen mostly in North America, right in the center, right, of North America, where we see this orange. Tornadoes are the most common in the United States. The flat land from the Great Plains to Texas provides the perfect landing strip for twisters. This stretch is known as Tornado Alley. Still, many destructive tornadoes have occurred in areas outside the alley. Tropical storms. These are the ones in green. You see some here in North and South America, over here near Australia, and over here towards Asia. Tropical storms. Oops, turned the page by accident. Tropical storms. Hurricanes form over warm tropical waters. As a result, they are most likely to strike coastal areas. The Eastern Pacific hurricane season runs from May 15th to November 30th. The Atlantic hurricane season lasts from June 1st to November 30th. Hurricanes are called cyclones in the South Pacific and Indian Ocean, and typhoons in Japan, China, and the Philippines. And they have some facts about the deadliest tropical storm was below a cyclone in Bangladesh in 1970. Let's read about droughts. They happen in these yellow spots. And you can see a fact. The longest drought happened in the Atacama Desert in Chile, 400 years. Wow. The hottest temperature in El Azizaya, Libya in 1922, and here was how hot it got, 136 degrees Fahrenheit, or 57.8 degrees Celsius. Droughts. Droughts are regional disasters. Unusual wind patterns are to blame for keeping rain clouds away. Lack of water is a serious problem in places that lack rivers or other sources of fresh water. Monsoons. You can see they happen here, mostly in Asia. Monsoons are wind systems that bring lots of rain that can cause dangerous flooding. Monsoons pound Southwest Asia during the summer. In winter, monsoons soak Malaysia and Australia. You see a little bit of blue here in Australia. The wettest place on Earth is Cherrapunji, India. They get 1,270 centimeters of rainfall annually. That's 500 inches. Weather alert. U.S. weather forecasts are accurate about 85% of the time. Little fun fact for you about wild weather zones. Here you see the map. Shows you distances, right? That little amount on the map accounts for 2,000 miles. So you could think about how far North America is from Europe using this to help you.